Welcome back to Broke SEDC. Got a little budget banger here today. Tenable knives. Ooh. Anomaly. No, I don't know. This one here, let's see. Soak it up. The old blue micarta on the frag. Nitro V blade. And overall length, 7.29 inches. Blade, 3.14 inches. Black wash Nitro V in that flat ground drop point. Blue micarta on the handle, line lock. And this thing coming in at 3.07. Pretty solid little action. Flipper only, simple, straightforward knife. Nice little snap. Liner. Semi kind of nested, not really. Nice, decent access. Could use some jimping on it maybe, but not too bad. You got to press in a little bit to get it. All four fingers sit on it good. Smooth top blade. No jimping. Feels like solid lockup. No wiggle, no play. Billboarding. Nice and clean. Maker's mark out back. Tenable air on the front. Hardware. Hitting the spot. Nice open design with a couple barrel spacers in the back. Looks like a little bit of milling in the liners to keep that weight down. That clip is sitting on top of the scale. So you get a little bit of hang up, a little bit of blue jean wear and tear, but not too bad. The flipper gets it done, but it's a one-trick pony. Just not my usual knife. I gotta have that fidget factor. But 59 bucks, and if a flipper is yours, and you want a little Pinkerton in you, $59.89. Snag it up, folks. What do you think of the Tenable? Y'all, drop that comment. Hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And, y'all, stay sharp. Stay safe.